Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discuss advantages of using stone veneers in your home's exterior. In today's world, conscientious homeowners are increasingly seeking sustainable design solutions that minimize environmental impact and promote long-term efficiency. As a leading stone veneer manufacturer, supplier, and importer in Canada and the United States, Pacific Art Stone recognizes the importance of incorporating eco-friendly materials and techniques in modern home designs. Stone veneers offer a unique combination of function and form, providing homeowners with visually striking designs while simultaneously fulfilling the desire for environmentally responsible living. By exploring the diverse advantages of stone veneers, our goal is to educate and inspire homeowners to make informed, eco-conscious design decisions that contribute to a more sustainable home and lifestyle. In this comprehensive blog post, we will discuss the variety of environmental benefits derived from using natural or manufactured stone veneers in your home's exterior, as well as tips for achieving a sustainable, attractive, and lasting home design. The eco-friendly benefits of stone veneers in exterior home design. 1. Energy efficiency and insulation. One of the key environmental advantages of using stone veneers in your home's exterior is their ability to enhance energy efficiency. The natural thermal mass of stone veneers helps regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling systems. This results in lower energy consumption and reduced greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a more sustainable home design and a smaller environmental footprint. 2. Durable and low maintenance. Stone veneers are incredibly durable and can withstand the elements, making them an excellent long-term investment for homeowners seeking sustainable design solutions. The long-lasting nature of stone veneers means fewer replacements and repairs, ultimately reducing waste and the use of additional resources. Their low maintenance requirements also minimize the need for harmful chemicals and cleaners, further contributing to a greener home environment. 3. Use of recycled and sustainable materials. Many manufactured stone veneer manufacturers, including Pacific Art Stone, prioritize the use of recycled and sustainable materials in their products. By incorporating recycled content, such as pre- and post-consumer waste, into the production process, stone veneer manufacturers contribute to a circular economy and promote responsible resource management. Sustainable design tips for incorporating stone veneers. 4. Mindful material selection. When choosing stone veneers for your home's exterior, consider the environmental impact of your selections. Opt for stone veneer products made from recycled materials or responsibly sourced natural stone to support conservation efforts and minimize resource depletion. Consult with an expert from Pacific Art Stone to help you make eco-conscious decisions for your home design project. 5. Prioritize local sourcing. Another sustainable design tip is to prioritize locally sourced stone veneers whenever possible. Doing so reduces the environmental impact associated with shipping materials over long distances, ultimately decreasing carbon emissions and supporting your local economy. 6. Combining stone veneers with other green building techniques. To enhance the sustainability of your home design even further, consider combining stone veneers with other eco-friendly building techniques and materials. For example, opting for energy-efficient windows, doors, and insulation materials can help reduce your home's overall energy consumption and enhance the positive environmental impact of your exterior stone veneers. Environmental advantages of natural versus manufactured stone veneers. Natural stone sustainability. Natural stone veneers have inherent qualities that contribute to their sustainability in exterior home design. Due to their durability, long lifespan, and minimal processing, natural stone veneers offer an environmentally friendly choice for homeowners. Manufactured stone veneer advantages. Manufactured stone veneers offer various environmental benefits, including the potential use of recycled materials, lighter weight for more efficient transportation, and reduced waste during production. Additionally, manufactured stone veneers can be customized to match specific design preferences while maintaining a sustainable profile. Building a sustainable future with Pacific Art Stone. Incorporating stone veneers in your home's exterior design not only results in an aesthetically appealing home but also contributes to a more sustainable and responsible lifestyle. By opting for natural or manufactured stone veneers and following environmentally friendly design principles, you can achieve a stunning and sustainable home design that benefits both your family and the planet. Trust Pacific Art Stone to provide exceptional products and expert advice for incorporating stone veneers into your home's exterior design while adhering to sustainable and environmentally friendly principles. As your go-to partner for stone veneer solutions, We offer a vast array of natural and manufactured stone veneer products that effortlessly complement your sustainable home design goals. Let's work together to create an alluring and eco-friendly outdoor space that enhances your home's beauty and function while minimizing its environmental impact. Explore our extensive collection today to get started. Sustainable living with stone veneer and eco-friendly building materials. In today's environmentally conscious world, the demand for sustainable and eco-friendly building materials has grown exponentially. In this insightful blog post, we will explore the advantages of using stone veneer and other eco-friendly building materials in your home construction, renovation, and design projects. By delving into the sustainability aspects of stone veneer and other eco-friendly materials, we aim to educate and inspire homeowners who are interested in making environmentally conscious choices during their home improvement journey. From energy efficiency to responsible sourcing and production methods, understanding the benefits and environmental impact of your building material choices is crucial for those looking to contribute to a greener, more sustainable future. Embrace sustainability in your home design and build a greener, healthier living space for yourself and your family by exploring the diverse world of sustainable stone veneer and other eco-friendly building materials. Why choose stone veneers for sustainable living? 1. Longevity and durability. Stone veneers exhibit exceptional durability and longevity, resisting wear and tear from weather exposure, temperature fluctuations, and other environmental factors. This long-lasting quality reduces the need for constant maintenance or replacement, contributing to a more sustainable home. 2. Insulating properties. Stone veneers can help improve your home's energy efficiency by providing natural insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures. This can lead to decreased energy consumption and utility costs, benefiting both your wallet and the environment. 3. Responsible sourcing. Many stone veneer products, particularly natural stone veneers, can be sourced and produced in an environmentally responsible manner. Consider partnering with suppliers like Pacific Hardstone that prioritize sustainable sourcing and production methods. Complementing stone veneers with other eco-friendly building materials. 4. Recycled materials. Utilize recycled or reclaimed materials, such as reclaimed wood or recycled metal, alongside stone veneers in your home construction or renovation project. This pairing reduces waste and the environmental impact associated with the production of new materials. 5. Sustainable insulation options. Combine stone veneers with eco-friendly insulation materials, such as cellulose, wool, or hemp. These natural, renewable resources provide excellent thermal and sound insulation while supporting sustainable living practices. 6. Green roofing and siding. Integrate stone veneers with green, sustainable roofing and siding materials, such as metal roofing, solar shingles, or fiber cement siding. This combination enhances your home's energy efficiency and eco-friendliness, further contributing to a more environmentally conscious living space. Incorporating sustainable design practices. 7. Passive solar design. Optimize your home's design by incorporating passive solar principles, which take advantage of natural sunlight and shading to improve energy efficiency and reduce overall energy consumption. Stone veneers' thermal mass can help regulate indoor temperatures by absorbing and slowly releasing heat, making them an ideal component of passive solar design strategies. 8. Natural ventilation. Enhance your home's natural ventilation by placing windows, doors, and vents strategically to encourage airflow, reducing your reliance on mechanical cooling systems. Stone veneers can be used to create architectural features that promote effective natural ventilation, such as air channels and airflow corridors. 9. Water conservation. Incorporate sustainable water management practices alongside your stone veneer installations, such as rainwater harvesting, permeable paving, and drought-tolerant landscaping. By conserving water resources, you further reduce your home's environmental impact and contribute to more sustainable living practices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful creative stone art tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.